Welcome back. Today, I'm joined by Siddharth Bishet, the founder of WebPinch.
Siddharth, thanks for being here. Let's start simple. What is WebPinch?
Thanks for having me. WebPinch is visual feedback for websites. Instead of writing a paragraph describing a bug, you click directly on the thing that's broken, type one line, and you're done. That click becomes a real task your developer can actually act on.
So, what was the moment that made you build it?
Every web team hits the same wall. A client sends a screenshot buried in an email thread. The subject line says, "Quick change." The message says, "The button on the left looks off." And now three people are on a call trying to figure out which button, on which page, on which screen size. That round trip is where projects quietly lose days.
And WebPinch removes that round trip.
It removes the guessing. When someone pins feedback on a page, we capture the context automatically. The screenshot, the exact element, the browser, the screen size, the URL. The developer opens the task and already knows everything they need. Nobody has to reconstruct the problem.
Who's actually using it day to day?
Agencies, freelancers, and in-house web teams. Anyone who has to collect feedback from people who are not technical. That's the key part. Your client shouldn't need to learn a bug tracker. They should just point at the problem. Our whole design goal was that a stakeholder can leave perfect feedback without ever being taught how.
How does the feedback become work that gets done?
Every pin lands on a Kanban board inside WebPinch. Projects, columns, comments, checklists, subtasks, attachments, the full trail. So feedback and delivery live in the same place, instead of feedback in one tool and tasks in another. We also run site audits, so you can crawl a site and get SEO and link reports next to the feedback you're already collecting.
There's an AI layer too, right?
There is, and we tried to be disciplined about it. AI breaks a vague request into real subtasks, summarizes long comment threads, and drafts stand-ups. We also ship a REST API and an MCP server, so if your team works with AI coding agents, the agent can read your tasks directly. The point is never AI for its own sake. It's removing the busy work between something is wrong and it's fixed.
Last question. What are you building next?
Deeper interactive review. We want you to click through a live, logged-in site inside WebPinch and leave feedback anywhere in that flow, not just on public pages. That's the hard technical problem, and it's where most of our energy goes right now.
Siddharth, thank you. Where can people find you?
WebPinch.com. Free to start, try it on your next project and see how much shorter your feedback loop gets.